I have nothing, but I love your daughter sincerely. I will protect her with my life.
My daughter and a commoner? That must never happen!
Every day I look beyond these walls, wishing for something real.
You shouldn't be here.
Maybe fate wanted us to meet.
And end this foolishness.
Father, I love him.
Why must love be a crime? Find him! The king has spoken!
Bring her to me now!
If I cannot love freely, then what is this throne worth?
He is not your equal!
But he is my choice.
I thought I lost you.
Never.
My name is Kachi, and I never expected love to find me this way.
I know you enjoyed that amazing video, but don't worry, I will teach you how you can also create something like that. So without wasting of your time, let's get started. But before that, go subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this.
Now, the first thing I do to create that kind of video, I have to go to ChatGPT. Now, on ChatGPT, this is what I gave to ChatGPT. I said, I want to create Nigeria Nollywood movie style with AI. So I want you to create me the full video scene, image to video scene prompt that look professional movie of 3-minute movie of a guy that is in love with a princess and the king did not approve the relationship. Give me a professional prompt. Every character will speak well. Please, each scene will be 8 seconds because I will be using Grok AI to generate the video. So after that, ChatGPT give me my prompt. As you can see, this is all the prompt ChatGPT gave to me. Now, when you look at here, this is option 1. That is the scene 1. As you can see, this is the image prompt. This is the image to video prompt also. This is the scene 2. This is the image prompt. This is the image to video prompt also. As you can see, this is the scene 3, scene 4, 5, a lot of them. And everyone have its image prompt and also image to video prompt. And what the image will set everything. As you can see, everything here. Now, the next thing I will do is to head over to Google Gemini, where I will be generating my image. Yes, I need to generate images for each scene just the way it is here. As you can see, just the way it is here. Now, let me head over to Google Gemini. So if you have not heard about Google Gemini before, I've talked about it before. So you can go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store, you go and download the app. Now, this is Google Gemini. All I have to do is to paste the first prompt here. This first prompt you are seeing here, I just tap on it and I'll click on select. Then I'll select the first prompt, which says image prompt here. I will select it. As you can see, I will select and I will copy. Then come back to Google Gemini. As you can see, I uploaded my image just to show it example. I say use this image ratio. Then I paste the prompt. And after I paste the prompt, it generates the palace for me, as you can see. Now, I need to go back again and copy the second prompt. The second prompt here, which says a young Nigerian man in a simple village clothes, so something like that. So I come back here, I generate the second prompt. Now this is the third prompt. As you can see, I generate all the prompts together. The image, all the image, as you can see, all the images are generated one by one just by copying the image prompt. All you just have to do is to copy the image prompt. If you don't get the video, you can watch my previous video. I've shown how you can be generating your images. I've shown that on my previous images, on my previous video. So all you just have to do is just to be copying the image prompt and you generate all the images. Now I've generated all the images. As you can see, these are all the images I use. Now after you generate all the images, the next thing you are going to do is to go and download Grok AI, or you open Grok AI on your phone. If you have Grok AI already, you can use Grok AI. But if you don't have it, you can go to Google Play Store or Apple Store and you go and download Grok AI and you open Grok AI. Now, when you open Grok AI, now this is Grok AI. Then the first thing you do, you click on images. I've done that before. You click on imagine and you click on this gallery. When you click on the gallery, you upload your photos. Now let's upload our first image. Now this is our first image. As you can see, this is our first image here. Now uploading, as you can see, is uploading the first image right now. Now let me go back to ChatGPT and go and copy the image prompt. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Now let's come back to ChatGPT here. Now as you can see, this is our first scene. As you can see, first scene here, as you can see, it says image to video prompt. Now we'll just copy it. After copying, then we click on make a video. When we click on make a video, we click on customize. When we click on customize, then we click on paste our prompt. Now when we click on paste our prompt, the next thing we are going to do is to click on this arrow here and we click on continue. Now after we click on continue, Grok AI is going to generate the video for us. In just less than a second, it's going to generate the video for us that will follow the entire scene. Now let's click on continue. After we click on continue, we generate the video. So as you guys can see, these are all the video scenes. As you can see, these are all the video scenes that are generated. Sorry, my network is slow. So these are all the image to video scene. I generated it according to the prompt. All you just have to do is just to go to ChatGPT and you'll be copying the prompt each by each. You upload the image, you generate your video. As you can see, these are all everything I generated. So I've been using it to generate a lot of videos. So these are everything I generated. Now, as you can see, this is the first one, the second one, the third one, the fifth one. You generate everything. Now, after you generate all the image to video, now the next thing you are going to do is to head over to your any of your editing app tool. Like you can use any of your editing app tool like CapCut or any video editing tool you are using. Now let me show you example. In CapCut, all I just have to do is just to click on new video. As you can see, when I click on new video, I'm going to attach all the video together. Now as you can see, these are all the video. I add all the videos. I have all the videos clip. As you can see, these are all the video clip. Now let's play it so that you guys will see how it look like after I generate everything.
In the kingdom of Zuba, love found two hearts that were never meant to meet.
My name is Kachi, and I never expected love to find me this way.
Every day I look beyond these walls, wishing for something real.
You shouldn't be here.
Maybe fate wanted us to meet. I would cross any distance just to see you smile.
My daughter and a commoner? That must never happen. And end this foolishness.
Father, I love him.
Find him! The king has spoken!
So you guys will see the video. This is how the video is. You can just edit it how you feel like editing it. You can edit it together. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.